store discussion noong August 29, 2025. Branch po is MC Square. Attendees po is ako at saka si Kai. Bali, absent po si Maylene. So, for request, warehouse request inventory, meron tayong CVC, men's, canary yellow, citrus orange, at saka yung primary cotton natin na men's, batik, saka dark green. So, bali, yung new cut natin is yung bomber jacket. Yung sa back order naman is bali, hindi na siya pwedeng tawagin bomber jacket yung bali, bomber jacket na siya, whether it is may lupa o wala. Bali, may bagong arrival tayo na jacket ay na bag, which is yung poly canvas with bottom, saka yung poly canvas with zipper. So, sa design update naman, meron tayong sa pillow, which is yung sa Stitch na design, Winnie Pooh, Sanrio, mga superhero, Snoopy, tsaka yung Sailor Moon. So, sa bagong update na product naman natin is yung polymer bag, stainless tumbler, tsaka yung roasting bag and pouch, tsaka yung ball pen. So, for website naman, bali, meron tayong bagong design, which is yung billiard na full beat. Yun lang. Kaya, pagkatapos, yung new pages natin is mayroon ng bago, which is yung design for engrave. Bali, dito sa consumables is meron tayo tatlo, which is yung ID card holder, button pins, saka ID lace na roll. For ROM naman, meron tayo Save Reply, which is yung comparison between tarpaulin saka yung public banner, yung cellphone stand natin, saka yung updated na brochure. Then, for ads and promos naman, which is yung t-shirt design, which is yung sa day of the week shirt, artwork, text blast, tapos yung sa FB Mall page, tsaka yung bagong REVP na vehicle ads for Christmas giveaways. MIS naman, bali ang sa BIF ito, bali additional copy for approval pag lang siya, multiple items, pag maramihan. For HR naman is, ayun nga yung mga schedule nyo na dito na workshop, which is ikaw may workshop ka ng 1. Ikaw Kyle, meron kang workshop ng 9 to 4 6, which is subject digitizing. Ayun lang.